Hello everyone, this is Miss Trung. Today we're going to go over how to do the claims evidence reasoning with this article from the New York Times on whether we should wear a mask. First, I want you to choose the language you're going to be completing this assignment in. I'm going to be choosing English and then I'm going to be erasing the rest. I already have erased the rest to save time on this video, but just so you know, if you scroll down, there should be Spanish, Vietnamese, and Arabic. So, after you've erased the other languages, you should read the article questions. Now, I only have one question, but there's multiple parts and it's quite long. So even though it's just one question, it's a long question, okay? So it says read the article, okay? And from the article, we're gonna make the claim. The claim is wearing a mask is a better way to protect ourselves from COVID-19 than wearing no mask, okay? So that means wearing a mask is better than no mask. Okay, so here are the steps. When reading the article, highlight at least 5 important statements that support our claim. And this is our claim, remember, wearing a mask is better than no mask. So when we're done reading, we're going to copy and paste the 5 best statements. Remember, we need at least 5. I would just highlight anything that's important. Don't just aim for 5. I would go for the best 5 statements. So just highlight anything you can. Then when you go back, you're going to copy and paste the 5 best ones that support your claim into these evidence boxes right here. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. And then once you're done with that, you're going to write an explanation as to why this evidence, whatever you copy and pasted, supports your claim. Wearing a mask is a better way to protect yourselves from COVID-19 than wearing no mask. You're going to write that in the reasoning boxes. In the end, you're going to copy and paste your evidence and reasoning into the claim evidence reasoning statements. Okay? Then you're going to proofread in the end to make sure they make sense. So remember, our claim is given to us, right? It's given, it's right here. So that's why I copied and pasted it 5 times for you. You're going to find 5 different important statements from the article. You're going to copy and paste it here. You're going to have 5 reasonings, aka explanation as to why your evidence helps prove that wearing a mask is better than no mask. And then you're going to copy and paste it into these statements. It's just like yesterday's assignment where you're just going to copy. I have places for you to copy and paste it. You just have to look for it. So right here it says copy and paste evidence here. So whatever your evidence is, you're going to copy and paste it here. And then the corresponding reasoning, you're going to copy and paste it right here. You're going to do for every single box of these claim evidence reasoning statements. Okay, then you're going to proofread it to make sure they make sense. Now, if you forget what it is, it's right here to explain it for you. Remember, the claim is given. Your evidence, as a reminder, you got to list 5 statements from the article that provide evidence that wearing a mask is better than not wearing a mask. Your reasoning is to write an explanation as to why the evidence helps prove this claim. And then how to do this is to put together your claim, evidence, and reasoning by copying and pasting the sentences. Just in case you forget, those little reminders and helpful sentences are right here for you. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful in guiding you how to complete this assignment. If you have any questions or need help, please remember you can always email me, or you can come to my office hours or live sessions this week. So I hope you had a good time, and that's about it. Have fun. Bye.